now welcome back on Sunday Night Show. We did discuss cheating from
healing from cheating.
Healing from cheating, cheating from healing. Healing this somewhere, cheating this somewhere, healing from cheating. Yeah. With Pastor Ian for Inside Studio. Our phone lines go they open right now. Make you begin call on top the topic what they discuss. Whether then you the cheat or then cheat or you are the cheater or the cheatee. Somebody say that is the problem between me and my wife. What can I do now? Okay. The problem now say now you cheat. No, this one person. I been person take right now. Now the person ain't cheat.
Okay, so if now you cheat and you they hear me, why you they feel this way now? Neither of two things. You they feel bad, say you cheat, or you don't know if they don't know, say you cheat and they never confront you.
I should say your wife they don't know.
So the easiest way to deal with emotional stress, if the husband and wife, not to just face them every morning. When you wake up every morning, they don't catch you say you cheat. Wake up for morning like, say, good morning, my wife. Say, I love you. I made a mistake, but I love you. Yeah. So that's, you can't control it. Said, I can't, help me. I accept. See, once you even own up, you go there 75% healed already. Once you own up, say you're an animal. Say it's not like that. I love you. Yeah,
your mistake.
Yes, it's a mistake. And I started by talking about the perfect world. There is no perfect world. So now we don't relate with each other with perfection for mine.
Say you must pure.
It doesn't make it right. Please understand that we are not saying that it's okay to cheat. So, but you were cheat. Own up, say you don't. When they say all men are dogs, don't be true. But now because of mostly and generally waiting women don't experience from boys or from young men. You know, you they married, some of them go get nice, lovely wife for house, then just lost for outside. Those now from the first time it happened, you know own up. You could just say nobody will ever know. Now my way, now how I have a good wife. I have no commitment to them. It's just emotional flings. Eventually, slowly but eventually, that feeling go erode. And when husband or when the cheated party begin to say the emotions no day again, now then you go begin climb mountain to get the attention again. Now go to the same room. They go say, how are you? You go say, I'm fine. Why did you answer me like that? But I'm fine now. I'm okay. You say, talk to me. Am I not talking to you? You know what is happening there? Your own emotions too. You don't understand. Because you not even clear what you do again. Any response, you self go begin, you go begin overact. You go overperform. Now one shawarma, you go buy 7. You know, nobody ask you. And all these things now telltale. See, now because people are professionals, no say people they overreact when they cheat, then they show signs. Say themselves no well.
Good evening, Amarachi.
Hello, good evening.
How you doing, Amarachi?
I'm fine. Are you with me?
I am with you, my sister. Which question you get to ask, or what you want to talk today on top of what we discuss?
About the discussion, actually, my husband has come out.
I bet if you talk well,
I can't hear you.
What that?
About the discussion, the people and the city, as you're saying.
Okay.
Fine. So I want to ask. My husband, I suspected actually that he's having something with a girl.
Okay.
And I confronted him, he denied it.
Suspected?
I invited the girl over our house. So she came. Actually, both of them discussed it before her coming. Then when she came, he called her, you know.
How you take no say and discuss them?
Hello?
How you take no say both of them discuss them, Amarachi?
He called her right in front of me. So when my husband came back in the evening, I asked him whether he called the girl that day. He said no. Then I checked his phone and saw the call. Exactly the time the girl was in the house. But
okay.
He denied the whole thing. I'm kind of confused. I really don't know what to do about it.
All right, no, well, if you end the call now, me Pastor answer you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Right. Amarachi's situation, they very tricky because you don't use confrontation. So you don't scatter the setup.
Yes.
So Ingo just enter defense mode.
Straight up.
And because the masculine ego, na big deal. Man fit die on top of ego. You don't say this guy go kill him. but you don't go back down. You say, honey, Lee, I'll protect you. You see the person, now 9 packs. You don't say, don't be your main blow, kill you. You say, no, that they can't insult us anymore. They beat, now for floor, they pound you. Say, my wife, don't run, I will take care of you. Then they beat you, they kill you. So now your ego don't enter the matter. You don't enter hyper mode.
You don't enter defensive mode. You
so
don't
begin do
now.
all kinds of, and that's when it gets really crazy. Now then if he shouts, begin to talk, say, now you where don't push and go out. You know, so on those things, now when you never even fit address the issue well, sometimes you fit suggest forgiveness subjects, you know, and if a sharp person, you go know what they try talk. He said, look, I didn't follow you because you were perfect. I followed you because you promised to be sincere.
Pastor, who answer this call so that we'll do 2 of them together. Chidebere, good evening. Hello, Chidebere. Hello. All right, call us back. Now, you see, say, where the thing day now be saying, as the man don't date defensive mode now, the man now feel on even the brigade woman say, maybe now because of say you the cheat, now make you the feel say me now you do the same thing.
Precisely. Psychology, Psych 101. The way you interpret the world is actually the way you see yourself. So people that are very anti-progress actually can't see progress for themselves. People that are personality destroyers don't have any good self-image of themselves. So once you go into confrontation mode, because him be man, he go want you shout. You say you can call her. Whether he called her before or not, the girl no go tell you.
Exactly.
Say, you know, he go just begin garage everything. You go call people. Say, come and see the rubbish your sister they took. Your sister try to.
And you know you go come be like the mumu.
You know, and then and once that happen, you don't score for one card. You go fold and keep. You don't get power now to pursue another program tomorrow.
Well, Pastor Moko, I finish this guy on way say in on what thing go do.
So the one where say in wife and
now the problem what did they get me that?
Okay, so is the problem that you have apologized and to never accept, or you don't know how to apologize, or you don't know how to own up? Now, no way they easy. When you don't cheat on person,
you don't cheat.
No, there's no. Just swallow your pride, respect your old age, and just come back to yourself and your wife and level. If he cry, maybe I enter bedroom, lock door, he just talk, say, I monkey this.
Engineer, good evening.
Good evening, no.
How you doing, my brother?
How are you, lady?
We did fine, no.
How that side?
We did, my brother. We did. Which question you get to ask today on top of the topic what they discuss?
The person when I got the the cheater. Who will be better of all apologize?
Between the cheater and the cheating.
Okay. No, I just hang up on that side down immediately.
Nedu, are you with me?
I am with you.
I feel you for you.
Madam Anna's here with a in fact, with a overfeed you.
Not come now.
Cutting, no, she dey punch.
Easy, please, I agree to.
Yeah,
good evening. Good evening, ma'am.
Easy, please.
Madam Anna's here, which question you get to ask?
Okay, ask.
In fact, I get contribution to make.
Okay.
You see all these cheaters, I think I'm looking at their lifestyle. You understand?
Okay.
And most times they don't cheat, especially the men. They do.
Would they hear you?
Would they hear you?
Eyes gonna shine like those man touch.
Yeah, eyes gonna shine when they don't cheat.
Yes, like man touch.
Okay.
So my advice to them is say, if you privately cheat to your spouse, don't try one way or the other open up to her. You understand?
Okay.
Or the girl open up to the guy.
Okay. Oh yeah, no wala. Thank you.
Okay. So like when they talk, he said the eyes they shine.
Why they don't want to pick my call now?
Sorry, I don't. Hey, Sadio.
Nedu,
Ma,
are you with me?
I am with you.
Easy,
Good evening.
may God bless your mama.
Thank you very
You
much.
find that if you say I don't marry,
Fine, Jesus.
Thank you very much.
They're calling you.
I rebuke.
Children are calling you. Hey, madam.
God bless you for me. May God upgrade your ministry for me.
Amen. Oh, you get question?
Like you're just as if you know what is in my family, what I'm passing through.
Wow. I talk. I'm listening.
Which
God
question?
bless you for me.
Which you get question to ask?
No, I just want to tell Pastor that he should keep on doing that.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
All right.
Thank you. Now, for Sly, thank you. Sly said to Sly from Italy.
Yes.
He said to Pastor, I must say thank you to you. After I finished reading your tweet, healing from cheating, it changed my pain. Sly.
Wow, nice.
Anyway, Pastor, continue.
Nice one. So, cheater. Not we no enter cheating.
We never, now just cheater with CJ.
So maybe we go just do cheating next
week. Now we go do cheating. Now na cheater.
But as the man when they talk, so you go find how you go level with your wife. Now you and her. You feel locked door on an off light and just say I don't sleep. You could just pull and turn. Say I don't shit for church. Say I did this and this at so time. I just wanted you to know that I'm truly sorry. It doesn't make it right, but I just needed you to know because both of us agreed on this journey. So you could help me. Say who? Say somebody where you don't know. If a person will not 12 now know, you know, you go hard you small, but you go talk out. say if what happens in Las Vegas, they stay for Las Vegas. Yeah. When what happens for street, for clothes.
They must know. Alice, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, Alice.
Hello.
We can hear you.
We hear you.
Talk to Pastor Yan.
All right.
We hear you.
Hello, I want to talk to Pastor Yan.
Yeah, you can talk.
Yeah, he's my neighbor.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, talk.
Pastor Yan, I want to talk to you.
All right.
You are my neighbor from Thomas Estate.
Oh, okay. All right.
What if both husband and wife doing the same thing?
Oh.
Is it cheating? Tell me.
With other people?
Yes, the wife do it and the husband do. They jam themselves for one corner.
Ha! Oh, yeah, hang on, make I talk that is a serious one.
Thank you. If you end the call now,
end the call and listen.
End the call, make you answer.
Okay. Hey. So, this one now, serious.
Husband they do, woman they do.
So, the case where husband they cheat, wife they cheat, it means say, and both of them no fit say that they do anything wrong. It means say problem don't already did. That relationship don't they completely severed. They go need sessions, regular sessions to address all their hurts because which is happen now, we say maybe wife catch husband, then go do your own, or husband catch and go do, and you know say no be so to two wrongs don't make it right. You know, so because you do them, no now mean say you don't get back at them. Because then it means say you self don't even go against your own personal values. Don't be who you be. You be loyal person, but because person cheats you, you now don't become disloyal person. So both of them now are animals. Both of them don't go leave table, enter mode, go they play. So both of them go need serious. There's nothing right about it. If it's happening already, there is something fundamentally wrong. If husband they cheat, wife they cheat, it no mean say husband they right, it no mean say wife they right. Both of them they completely wrong, and they need to sit down and resolve their issues. And go they harder now because everybody now don't get ammunition. So ego don't enter the matter now. You know. So
hello, good evening. Hello. Alex. Okay. Pastor, continue from where you stopped. So, still on top of the cheater.
Yes. So you go stay with your wife or with your husband. Now some people they talk say, my husband or my wife they very erratic, they very crazy. As you go, they keep malice. You know those things go remind you say tomorrow. No do
not show yourself again. Tomorrow.
So if they go keep malice with you for 6 months, your work in that 6 months, not to earn her trust or his trust back. So anything where you want to know, anyhow you want it. You know, I see people where nothing happened at that time, but now when then they date, where something happened but they no talk, then they don't marry. You can the gist with the boys one day or the gist with the girl one day. Come calculate the date where the thing happened, and when you meet them. He said they cheat on me. This one not thief.
Permutation, combination, and permutation.
You know, check out. We married December. We date for June, but you don't tell me anything. But Kevin can't tell me say in block him for August. So June to November when I marry. Now August, something.
August,
July, November.
No.
What? It can't be.
You come to question mark.
Say something happened. Something have to explain what's happening this season. You know, and you go ask that one come back house, and it will become war. And at that time, when they ask you, nobody to begin talk, say, is it my past now? See, when you want emotions, no get the boundaries of reason. Once your emotions are already heightened, reason will come up from window. So the only way to cage emotions, not to complete the illogical parts of the reasoning. You cheated on me. Come, let me explain. It was when I traveled to Port Harcourt, and then before that story go finish, you go to pain him, but now you understand everything
will happen.
And I clarified it, and I told him that I was in a relationship. Then we were not serious. I've been able to try and put it in perspective. And then when I found out both of you knew each other, I just didn't think it was a big deal. I'm really sorry. See me, nothing has ever happened since then. You can call him and confirm. I really did not mean to. I wanted to actually protect. You know, you have offended me. I know I've offended you, but you will help me. You will help me not to offend. You know, see, if you don't involve the cheating, you have a cheater. You don't be for you because that cross will carry around that. Especially now, it doesn't make it right. But when that woman it happened to. Most times, subconsciously, the man will come turn him to like taboo. So you go turn him to ammo. You dare not, you come back 2 a.m., you won't open mouth. Not be you will catch with man for this thing. you know that kind of thing. So you come in 2 a.m., how dare not born you well?
And maybe traffic to true hold on.
Oh no, wait, they don't even, maybe that the woman will cheat. So now, the woman every time when you come back again, no?
maybe the guy if he come back, they come bring food for him. He dey chop. Man, come. This soup is tasting burn. He burn. Why he not go burn? Maybe don't put them on fire. Go and play with it.
Precisely. Then you go come to an antagonism. They take and they frustrate the person. But listen, if now you cheat, understand, say, now the price where you go pay to end the trust back. People, they assume, say, if I just come tell you, say, I cheat on you, the person will just hug you, spin you for balcony.
Thank God, say, tell me,
say next week now we are going to this. You know, to the expect that, you know, say, cheating, now breach of a contract. Most young men go understand this one. When you tell girls, say, will you marry me? And they talk yes. 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks after you talk yes, you go see smarter girls, you go see more intelligent girls, you go see more submissive girls.
You say,
you got to look, say, say now all of them the wait, make I commit to this one before all of them come out. What is happening? You say, now life become test the reality of this. People don't understand. When you say I love you, you don't know what you talk. What you are saying, you say, I like everybody else, but I love you. It means, say, as I relate with everybody else, it no go ever be the same way I go relate with you. So when you carry waiting be our own,
go share with another person.
You don't break something. So don't expect the person could just jump. Maybe man, the guest that like you say, honey, I cheated. Oh man, go hug you. Say thank you for being honest. If that won't happen, my brother, pack out quickly. Just come out first for like 2 weeks. They call every day. They say, I'm really sorry. Now the next soup. Now the next
soup go show you go carry you go heaven.
You know, so when you cheat and you say, I'm sorry, no expecting the person say it's okay, I understand now. It go pain. And sometimes some men even talk say it's okay. You know, maybe the girl they're very fine and super. We don't believe say if you marry that kind of girl, then the girl cheat on her. And then she just say, I'm sorry, and I wasn't like that. To assume, say, as you say, it's okay. Me say, it's okay. You don't even because now after you go to think you know, say that the human mind, they process things in pictures.
Yes. You can't see different
things. The human mind, they process things.
Oh, that the way not come back as quick.
You can't they think.
Say, I'd imagine.
Saying go 2 weeks. Waiting for it happen in 2 weeks. You know, say now walk you go. Game don't change. The thinking. Say, waiting 2 weeks. He close work 4 o'clock.
A whole 2 weeks.
Now around 11:13 they text me saying won't sleep. Waiting if they do from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 2 I've been saying, man, it was a very hectic day.
So you don't want to ask that period of time.
Yes, you don't want to ask her, say, but you close 5. So how hectic the thing be?
Where you not pick your phone call, your phone midnight. Call me till midnight.
And when you come, and so once you own up like that, say I cheated on you, but I need you to support me. Once you're able to help the person through that, the reasons where the person take do that thing, feel no make sense. People know they cheat because say they not be necessarily because say they get bad relations and they cheat. Sometimes not just that those moments of distractions, those moments where you just for people because it's an adventure. They don't mean say anything. They no.
Also, this one when people go to say, hey, he not good make it eat one soup every time. He go eat a goosey, go sometimes to make you taste white soup, taste obono, taste this one.
Those people don't want truly, really and truly. They don't want happiness in their life. They know. So now free for all. Go now, go marry. See, you don't want happiness. You know they can't deal with happiness. They can't deal with commitment. Those ones don't feel deal with. You don't monkey dance. How do you slap her? How dare she say I cheat? For Africa, I cheat. I just try variety. In the time say I go kill you now. Once that girl go, you go do the same thing with another one. I want another one. You're not going to ever have any real memory of a happy life. And that is the reality. So, to own up now one thing, to begin braggadose about them. Now,
another thing.
Now you really need help. Those ones they talk say, now them really, because the truth be say, when all the lights off finish, everybody go their house. What are the fine level? When you sit down, they alone.
Now that time you come the.
When you go just sit down, they think. Say, which kind of life are they live like this? I don't meet ladies where no be now. See, no be now you go to worry you 25, 35. You're not going to sit. Now when you one day you just wake up. Say, which I could have been happy with Kevin. How I use my hand. Spoil. And he was a good man. Then tomorrow you look TV, you see Kevin. You open newspaper, you see Kevin. You can say, how I take this waka where Kevin take come off from my hand. You know, you say, and Kate was a good girl. How I disrespect this girl now. Now she's a wonderful mother and a successful. Then you can regret, say, I for don't correct this thing then. And
anyway, Pastor, Moko wrap up in 1 minute before Mo carry waka come for inside. So wrapping up now for the cheater.
And
the next
up
week
for the cheater.
Cheaty.
If you have cheated, despite the fact that what you have done, or what you don't do, they wrong, please look for ways to own up. If not marriage, look for ways to own up to the person where you deal with. See, living together different from marriage. If not marriage, level with the person where you deal with. You go pain him small, you go pain him, even reach 3 months. But as long as you go help and walk through him, once you pass that bridge of forgiveness, that thing goes solid.
You go this stronger.
Not be that one again. Tomorrow go be on a problem.
Go be another
not be that one.
Okay.
Go be. So if you be cheater, realize what you do they wrong, and then own up to the person where they committed with, and you go improve from there.
Okay.
God will help all of us.
Okay. Anyway, double twirl to Pastor Iyayi, the owner of Friday, for discussing this matter. Next week, today we'll do healing from cheating, but not cheaters now we'll discuss. Person where they cheat. Next week, Friday, now those when you say they cheat on the cheaty. Now we will discuss. Somebody.
Okay.
So somebody talks on top of it and say, please, how can I access your tweet on top healing from cheating? Now hashtag healing from cheating. One word. Hashtag, just go on top Twitter, type hashtag healing from cheating. One word. Then you will see the whole series. Anyway, double twirl to everybody, Pastor Iyayi, to Easy Peter, K Solo, Big Bash, Shapali, and then to everybody. And then Pastor Iyayi Twitter handle at Iyayi1. At Iyayi1. And the book, What Man a Man Should Want in a Woman, very, very soon. It don't be ready, finish.
Yes,
anyway, those of you want text Pastor Iyayi to take for talk to him personally. 0817-232-7000. 0817-232-7000. For the last time, 0817-232-7000. And now only Monday to Friday, text message alone. No call. Text message alone. 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you don't pass 6 o'clock, don't try it. If you don't reach 9 o'clock, don't try it.
If you don't know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.